Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Hinge dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge dating application if you have already installed it, and then you will see the create account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, tap on the next button, and you will be asked to enter your verification code. Just check your phone SMS and you will find your authentication code that you can type in to proceed forward with the sign up process. Then tap on enter basic info and you will be asked to enter your first and your last name. After entering both of these details, tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter your email address. After entering your email address, tap on the next button once again and you will be provided an option to connect with Google or your Facebook account. You can tap on no thanks if you don't wish to do this, or you can tap on the appropriate buttons to continue to sign up with a shortcut. After tapping on the continue as button, your account will be linked, and then you can tap on the done button. Now you will need to check the verification code that has been sent to your inbox within the email address that you used to register. Just check your inbox and you will find your verification code. If you didn't get a code, tap on the didn't get code button. Then you can tap on send again or edit your email. After entering this code, your account will be verified and you will be asked to enter your date of birth. Just enter your date of birth and tap on the next button and then tap on the confirm button to confirm your age. And now you will be asked to add more details to your profile. After you add all of your details, such as your location, your gender, your sexuality, and your preference, you can also choose other preferences for your account and fill up most of your personal information. You can also skip all of these by simply tapping on the next button at the bottom right corner, and now you will finally be allowed to enter your profile pictures. You can use your Facebook or your Instagram and also upload directly from your phone. Then tap on the done button and you can proceed forward, and after filling up a few simple details, you will be allowed to start sending likes. And now your account has successfully been signed up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Hinge dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.